we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of AstroAI 2-in-1 Ice Scraper and Snow Shovel Kit, consists of the following features. 2-in-1 perfect match. With both a snow brush and snow shovel in one package, you can easily remove snow and ice anywhere, keeping you prepared for all winter conditions. Use the snow brush to easily remove snow and ice from car windows and roofs while using the snow shovel to conveniently clear your driveway and piled up snow around cars. Adjustable length. The adjustable length design, snow brush from 36.4 to 47.2 inch, snow shovel from 33.6 to 44.5 inch, provides easy adjustment for users of all ages and heights. Adjust the length as you wish, ensuring every use is comfortable and easy to grip. Even kids can easily use these tools, with parental supervision. Fast buckle detachable design. The extendable shafts of the snow brush and snow shovel are connected by buckles that can be easily assembled and disassembled, saving time and effort when it counts. EVA-wrapped anti-frost handles. The EVA-wrapped handle provides a comfortable grip and superior anti-frost performance, combined with the ergonomic concave-convex pattern for a superior anti-slip grip. Easy to carry everywhere. These products' compact dimensions and ease of disassembly allows users to easily store them in a trunk or backpack for easy access. Whether hiking or on the road, you can confidently handle heavy snow and stay prepared all winter long. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.